Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know I've been gone for a long time, but I'm glad to be back. Today I'm bringing you a shady, New Year's Eve look. So it's gonna be a longer video because I talk a little bit more about myself and I show a little bit more of my personality. So I'm glad to be back before the year ends, and I hope to see you next year with more videos. So if you want to see how I created this look, then just keep on watching. I already moisturized my face and everything. And I'm going to be using this lip oil from Sweet and Shimmer. I got this at Ulta Beauty. I've been into lip oils lately. I don't know what I'm going to be doing for makeup today, but I really want to post this before New Year's. Just before New Year's Eve and everything. Just because, I don't know, I really want to finish the year, doing something that I love doing and just for myself. So yeah, I'm going to do my eyebrows first because I always do my eyebrows first. So for my brows, I just take these and then I take a little bit of the product and then I just try to work it into my brows. Just, so they can get tacky and they can stay up all day. I don't even know if people watch makeup videos on YouTube anymore, but I've been loving them lately. I really been loving them. I've been into into watching vlogs and stuff like that, but I feel like there's something about an old makeup tutorial that I just love. Right now I'm just using my REFY pencil from REFY. That was stupid to say. But yeah, I'm just using my REFY-Brow Pencil in shade Black just to fill in a little bit of the sparse areas that I have. I just don't do a lot to my brows anymore. I don't know, I'm just it's whatever. Now that I finished doing that, I'm just going to go ahead and just clean off the excess soap that's around my eyebrows, because if not, honey, this makeup is gonna look crusty and musty around them eyebrows and we don't want that. I'm just going to move ahead onto my eyeshadow, and I'm just going to be using my Jaclyn Hill X Morphe Divine Neutrals. This one right here, I love this palette. I'm just going to do something really simple but still kind of festive. I'm using the color Just Barely from that palette, and I'm using the A14 brush from the Makeup by Ariel collection. The first color that I'm going to be using is going to be this one right here. It's called Good Vibes, and then I'm using this Morphe. Why do I keep saying the same thing? That's annoying. This is the Ariel brush in number 11. And then we're just gonna focus this product up here. Honestly, these brushes are so good. I know I keep saying that, but they really are. My dream is to get my makeup done by Makeup by Ariel. So I don't know how y'all gonna make that work, but y'all gonna make it happen. So I don't know how, but yeah. I'm going to be taking this shade right here, Booked, and then I'm just going to deepen that up a little bit just to contour my eyelid a little bit more. I'm just using that color in the socket of my eye just to create a lot more definition. I'm going to be using the color Boo Bear, and then I'm just going to apply this in the outer V of my eye. I think I'm going to do a wing liner because I've really been into wing liner lately. I don't know what's wrong with me, but I've really been into it. That's my whole new thing right now. Now that I like how that's looking, I'm going to go ahead and add the color Dripping, this one right here, and then I'm just going to use my finger. I like that. Ooh, that's nice. Birthday suit, just on top of that. Yeah, I like how it looks. These two colors together, oof, they look so good. So I just did my eyeliner. I'm going to go ahead and apply my lashes. I'm going to be using the, I'm going to be using the Kiss Lashes in Style No Filter, and then I'm going to be using my Duo lash glue. So I'm going to be right back with the lashes, and then we can move on to face. Okay, so my eyes are done, and I'm feeling kind of insecure because my skin looks really bad on camera, but it's whatever. I'm going to be applying my Tula primer. It is a luminizing and moisturizing primer And I'm going to be applying this like in the high points of my face. You see that? That looks glowing. So I'm also going to be using my e.l.f. Putty Primer. I'm just apply this in like in the center of my face. Just to like help, you know, with my pores and stuff like that. So I'm going to be using color corrector today just because you guys can see my skin has been going through a lot in the past few months. So I'm going to be using these from LA Girl. I'm going to be using the Grwm and the peach color corrector. I'm going to be moving on to foundation now, and I'm going to be using my Born This Way foundation in shade Warm Beige. I'm actually really excited because I'm going to start school soon in like a couple of months, in like a couple of weeks actually, which for the ones that don't know, nobody knows this, I mean, except for the people that actually know me in person, and like the people that are close to me. So I haven't gone to college yet, simply because that's not something that I wanted to do, you know, right after I got out of high school, just because I feel like I wanted to take some time to even think if I wanted to go to college, and just to like even think about what I really wanted to do. And because to me, like, a degree doesn't really like define who you are. I'm just going to be applying concealer right now. I'm going to be using my NARS concealer again in shade Custard. I'm just taking this on the sides of my nose, and then just underneath my eyes, my chin, and my forehead. For my cream bronzer, I'm going to be using my BEIGE Golden Tan Bronzer. It's just like a cream bronzer, as I just mentioned. And I'm just gonna use this on my face. I'm just going to be doing school online just because I don't wanna go to school in person. As of right now, that's not something that I wanna do. Like, people may be like, oh, but you're gonna miss the whole experience. That's the point. I want the degree, not the experience. At least that's how I feel right now. Just blending my concealer under my eyes right now, and like, I don't know, around my nose and my forehead, just because I don't want it to sit there for a long time. I don't know why, but I just feel like I don't really love this concealer, which is weird because I know a lot of people love it, but I just don't. Do my blush right now, and I'm going to be using this one from e.l.f. I don't know what shade this is, but it's definitely not Bora Bora, because Bora Bora is like more like a pink kind of blush. This is more like a fishy color, so I'm just going to apply this up here. I'm going to use another concealer under my eyes. I'm going to be using this e.l.f. 16 Hours Game Mode Concealer in shade Medium Warm. I'm just going to be applying this right here, just because I wanted to look a little more brighter than what it was looking like before. Yeah, that looks better. I'm going to be moving on to powders right now, and I'm going to be using my Huda Beauty powder in shade Banana Bread because, you know, I use this or the Laura Mercier powder. I want to try the One Size Beauty powder. Again, I have to order that online. I literally suck at ordering things online. Like, I don't know why. I just feel like that's not my thing. I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place bronzer duo, this one right here. So I'm just taking this other color right here and then just applying that on my cheeks. I'm going to be moving on to powder blush, and I'm going to be using this new Kylie pressed blush in shade Body on the Block. It's like, oh my god, it just transforms the makeup. Like, I feel like whenever you don't have blush, your makeup is like this level, but whenever you add blush, it just goes a boom, just all the way to the top. And then I'm just gonna take it a little bit under my eyes just because I like that. Okay, so face is looking good. I like that my eyes look really lifted without anything like, you know, the bottom part, but I think I want to add something. So I'm going to be adding this shade, the Good Vibes shade from the palette that we use, with the same brush that I use for my nose. I don't know how I like it better, but I feel like whenever I'm going out, I feel like I like doing this just because it adds a little bit of like drama and glam. To take a little bit of this color, Boo Bear, and then I'm going to add that like very close to my lash line. Like very, very close. I love how that looks, so I'm going to be adding this eyeliner from Tula in shade Espresso. Still obsessed with this, so I'm going to be using it today to set my face. This is the Morphe Continuous Setting Mist, and then I'll be right back and finish the makeup. Okay, so for lips, I'm going to be using my Morphe Sweet Tea Lip Liner, and I'm going to be using my Juvia's Place lipstick in shade Lady. To finish the makeup, I'm just going to apply a little bit of mascara on my bottom lashes. Use the tiniest bit. I'm using my Lancome mascara. So this is the final look, you guys. I am obsessed with how it looks. Like, I think it looks so good. Like, I'm sorry, I'm going to be sitting down on a dining table like I'm a goddess, okay? But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I was gone for a while, but yeah, I just want to wish you all a very happy new year and a lot of blessings, and I hope to see you next year. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, drop a comment down below, and turn on the notifications for whenever I post another video.